The 2018 Buick Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, keyless entry, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, all-wheel drive, backup camera, lane departure warning, navigation system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, floor mats, keyless start. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.